Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Office. And signing in with your Microsoft or work account, this links OneDrive automatically. Once done, pick the app you need, Word for documents, Excel for sheets, or PowerPoint for slides, and either create a new file or upload an existing one. Make sure to enable OneDrive Sync so autosave works. This prevents lost work. You'll notice app tabs and the quick access toolbar. Use them to jump between common commands quickly. Now you edit actively. Type, format, and use built-in templates to speed tasks. You should rely on autosave, it keeps live changes, and check version history to restore earlier drafts if needed. To collaborate, invite people with specific permissions, then use comments and at mentions to assign actions. Real-time presence indicators show who's editing. Once everyone finishes, confirm sharing settings and export or download in the format you need. Make sure to teach collaborators how track changes. To finish, finalize layout, run spell check, and export the file to PDF or another Office format, then share the secure link or download for distribution. Make sure to confirm permission levels and link expiration when sending outside your organization to avoid accidental access. If something goes wrong, slow loading, missing features, or sync errors, clear browser cache, try an incognito window, or switch temporarily to the desktop app to complete complex edits. And if sync still fails, re-sign in to refresh credentials.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.